So I've seen a lot of technology over the years. Traeger, this $1,700 crazy Wi-Fi grill, is one of the coolest and tastiest things I've seen in a long time. So these are the Traeger Pellets. They come in different flavors and scents, I guess you could say, including a big game version that has rosemary in it, and a Thanksgiving version that has maple and different flavors that actually add a little bit of flavor and smoke to the meat. So what happens is there's an auger, a sort of a worm screw, inside this box here, and it starts pushing pellets out into this firebox. The firebox has a hot rod in it, which lights these pellets on fire and creates a small flame in here. Then a fan turns on and starts to expand the flame and get it hotter and hotter until it starts convecting through the grill. So to get it started, you set the temperature. This goes up to about 500, and press ignite. One of the coolest things is this probe. It's actually a meat thermometer that connects to the Wi-Fi system here in the controller, and you can actually watch the temperature of the meat as it cooks. You can also set an alarm on the Traeger iPhone app to tell you when your meat hits a certain temperature so you can take it off and eat it. It's great. Obviously you don't want to eat undercooked chicken, so you stick this little guy into the chicken right about skin level and let it go. Close this up, it preheats itself and then begins cooking. All right, and the Traeger app has a number of recipes that you can download. For example, you have all these things right here. So say you wanted to make chicken wings, you can actually send this recipe to your Traeger grill. It sets the time, it sets the temperature, and it sets the alarms for the various temperatures that the meat needs to be. All of these recipes are designed to work really well with the Traeger. You can also do smoked cocktails, which basically involves smoking fruit or other ingredients and adding them to your cocktails. There's also Traeger ingredients that they sell, which are rubs and sort of simple syrups that add a little bit of smoky flavor to all your food and can make your chicken, steak, or whatever you're cooking out here really good. My favorite is the beer can chicken, which is basically a chicken stuck onto a beer can. The skin gets really nice and crispy and smoky, and inside it's succulent and delicious. It's a really, really cool grill. It's wacky that it's connected to the internet. It works fairly well from this app. I'm really pleased with the flavor, the smoke, and all my neighbors are jealous.